which is followed by a human.
Rocket ran out of here.
I don't know enough rocket rammers. First player in the match. Oh, someone's trying to reboot. Do you know who this may be, Jacob?
Christmas tree. Elliot, we found a sweaty Christmas tree in 2v2. Huh? We found
He's just done the revive.
We found a sweaty Christmas tree in 2v2, didn't we, Elliot? Oh no!
Oh my God! Don't land on top of people, you idiot! Hide behind the tree. Yes.
Box fights. We found a Christmas tree that was sweaty.
It was quite good. Now let's do 2v2 box fights. Elliot with a random.
Oh yeah.
Because Elliot's randoms are good, I promise you.
Are they?
Yeah.
I can mark in peace control 2v2.
Oh, Elliot got peace control, Jacob.
I went.
Yeah,
What are the sound effects? Jacob, by the way, I am losing this 100%. I know, I got my haircut as well. But not just then, 18.
I'm getting it this week.
Jacob, we normally have ours on the same day.
I know.
It's not nice, Jacob. Guys, I'm about to be 100. Stupid man coming for me. I'm about to proper punish this kid. Oh! I just dodged a snipe.
What?
You hit your funny bone again.
No, I thought it was into my desk.
Oh, you've done that again. He did that yesterday as well.
I know.
And then he started crying. And then he started screaming for his mum. And then she called the police. And they arrested the table. Oh my God, 7 people left.
Oh, Alex got.
Oh, hi James, yeah? Yeah, I got this, James.
Elliot, remember when you said you'd give me? Elliot, remember when you said you'd give me? Yeah!
Yeah, right.
He'll probably give Jacob, not me.
No, he said that to Alex. I'll gift him at school.
I was gonna give this game that you
Guys,
got
do I
on
risk it
my
and go up if there's more than one person? Do I just stay there?
Wait, where's my cherry nade gone? Where's my cherry nade?
Oh, I hit him! I just killed him for full damage!
You versus two. Alex, it's you and one team. It's you and one team. You versus two.
Alex, get that sniper!
I can't
come
believe
on,
I just
Alex.
knocked him
Come
off
on,
the
Alex.
edge. That he must be
Alex,
pooing his
Alex,
pants.
we can get a crown win. We can get a crown win.
There's a legendary sniper.
Oh yeah, there is. I'm scared. I think my pants are a bit wet as well.
What?
Where are they all? Come on, let me land on that. Don't worry, I got the zone and they don't. Wait, it's me and the team left.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's me and the good team left.
They're going into your
I see them there.
My loot farm.
On your right. They're on your right.
To get
They're on your right.
Don't worry, it should be
What are you
okay.
doing? Huh?
I'm gonna try and stick with this high ground.
Yummy, yummy,
Where are they? Oh, there's one.
Tasty.
No, that's not him.
Tasty.
It's a bit snow. Here you go, guys. Stick with the high ground.
Rocket Ram.
Now, because that will send me into the zone and it's 8 tick. There they are.
Oh, they look sweaty.
I know.
Where are gone?
Sweaty kids.
Yeah, they know how to build a floor. Nah, they're good. It's spicy!
Spicy.
Who just tried to snipe me, guys? I think I'm a bit dead. God, I gave it a...
Rocket Ram.
I can't.
It's easy to shoot.
Elliot, how many
Yeah,
games do
rocket
you
ram
win?
up onto that. The other one is a sniper ram.
Now you can randomly to the ground.
He's like, oh no.
Hit one for 50.
Right there.
What?
Unlucky. Alex, you crouched that